Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the spin transition on CapCut Pro on Androids and iPhone. Firstly, I would like to say that if you want to download CapCut Pro for free, then click the link down below. And also, this video has two parts. The first part is me showing you how to download the video to do the edit, and the second part is me actually doing the spin, and I will have the time frame on the side. So first off, go to YouTube and type in the video that you want, or two videos. I only did one. Then you click the three dots on the side and you will click copy link. You will click the arrow button that says copy, share, and then you will click copy link. Sorry guys. Then you will download documents. I already have it downloaded, but yeah, go to that. And you're going to click the button on the side, the bottom right. And then you will type in n.savefrom.net in the link on top. And then when you see enter the URL, you will click paste and click the enter button. Once you click enter, you will click download and you will click OK. Now you will go back to where you see the file with the arrow facing down. You will click on that and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, yeah. So now you're going to click the edit where it says modifier, that means edit, yeah. And you click the move thing on the bottom with the paper and the arrow facing right. Now you will click photos and you will click the blue bar on the bottom. This will send the video to your photos directly. So now you will go to CapCut Pro and you will click the plus button on the top left corner. Don't mind me, I was playing with this before. So I'm deleting some things, so yeah. So now you will create a new film and you could edit it, but I don't want to edit nothing, so yeah. Now you will click the plus button and you will click create a video. Click the video and now we will create a video and you will cut it to the part that you want. Okay, I've already cut it. Yeah. So now once you've done that, you will go to the first video. Okay, to me, the first part of my video. Once you've done that, you will double tap on the video, not the part that's on top, the big one, but the long thing, scrolling. Yeah, you will click on that and you double tap that. So once you double tap that, you will see the little bar on the bottom. You will click the wand option and click the plus button. It's like the second thing. Now that will take you to transitions and you will click the first transition, and that means to create your own transition. Now you will drag this blue bar thing to the end of your first video. Okay? And now once you do that, you will zoom in. Okay, my phone hits me, sorry. But you will turn the video to the side on the bar, not the rest of the video, just the bar. You will turn it on the side and you will zoom in not just a little bit, but enough so that the black thing is not showing and it does not look awkward. So yeah. So you basically turn it on whichever side you want, but right now I'm turning it on the right side, like it's angled at the right side, and you will zoom in. It's black right now only because I'm at the direct end of the video, so that's just fully black. And if this happens to you, then don't worry. If it doesn't happen to you, then don't worry either, okay? And if it shows a second video, then still don't worry. That's part of it, so yeah. So once you've done that, you'll go to the little line at the end of the bar and you will see where it says circular. Click the circle button, like the bottom of a circle curve. Yeah, that one. Yeah, click that. And now you will click done, which is the arrow facing left, and you click the check mark. And now you will go to the second video and you basically do the thing you did for the first video, just that is opposite. So you click transitions and you won't drag it to the end, you will drag it to the beginning instead. So yeah, don't drag it to the beginning, it's already at the beginning, but yeah. So now you're gonna zoom it and angle it at a different angle than you did before. At first I angled it at the right, and now I'm angling it at the left. Now you go to the squiggly line and you click the curve that's at the top of, like at the top of a circle basically. So yeah, sorry, makes no sense, but yeah. And now you're basically done, but I couldn't get it to be perfect, so I had to play with it a little bit. So basically what I did is, at the beginning of the transition, not the first video but the second video, I will leave it zoomed, but once you do that, it's just going to basically stay the same throughout the video, and you don't want that. So what you will do is you will go to the end of the blue line, like the transparent blue thing. Yeah, probably makes no sense, but you will go to the end of that, and then you will basically zoom it back to the correct spot, because when you create two transitions, you can basically like do many things in one. So it may sound hard, and if you guys do not understand, then I could probably make a better video, but that's the best I could explain it. So just like go to the end of the transition by itself, and then you will just basically zoom back out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and now this is the end result. Bye.
Because you are so liberal. And I'm just a narrow-minded homo fallopian. Of course. But if I got up in the middle of the night and I ran into someone...